Good morning, guys. Hubby is already cooking. Let's go and have a look what is he cooking for today. Good morning, Lakay.
Hi, good morning.
What are you cooking? What's that?
It's pinakbet.
It's the bagnet sagpao?
Yeah, of course. This is our ulam for today.
Wow, oh my God.
See?
Look. Greeny vegetables.
Wow.
Pinakbet is life.
Of course.
Oh, so yummy.
Okay, tikman natin.
Ang aking tagaluto ng pinakbet.
So yummy. Lovely. May parlang pa. Dati parlang na.
Wow,
Look.
yummy, yummy. Yes.
Wow.
And, I think the vegetables cooked that.
Sarang-sangin. Wait lang ulit. Huh?
Wait, ito mainit.
Sige. Kain mo rin.
Perfect. Perfect. Iwan na natin para maluto na yung mga nasa baba.
Tapos iparaba mo na yung ano.
Oops.
Yung sahog niya. Yan.
Gosh. Of course.
Wow, so nice. Sana all.
Sana all the ulam is pinakbet. I love it. Yum, yum.
So, ikaw na ngayon ang nagluto.
Yes.
Ganun ba?
Ako na naglagay.
Tikman ko ngayon ulit. Gusto ko tikman ulit. Tikman ulit natin. Ha? Wow. Tikman ko nga ulit. Yan natin. Yung digo muna. Digo muna. Wow. Talagang hindi nagbabago ang lasa. Tikman natin ulit itong bagnet niya. Yan o. Ito yung may dito sa may ano niya, may lasag-lasag niya. Yun o. Lovely.
Perfect.
Perfect. Hindi nagbabago ang lasa.